We've had such an awesome week this week riding the Rocky Railway Express. And now we just want to say our goodbyes to you guys and hope that you have an awesome summer. Again, that you're staying happy, healthy, and safe. And let's all say goodbye, crew.
By loving Jesus and each other and staying united together in Christ.
Jesus' power helps us be good friends too.
Today we heard about all the new friends
who are following Jesus.
The church is one, holy, Catholic, and apostolic. The church is united together.
We help each other and love Jesus by the sacrament of communion.
The apostles shared friendship with each other.
They spent time together learning about the apostles from Jesus.
Just like we did.
They celebrated the breaking of the bread,
which means the Eucharist.
All right, so now we are going to close with a prayer, everybody. So, in the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, amen. Dear God, we thank you so much for giving us the privilege to work with one another and to help inspire those that have been participants of Vacation Bible School this year. And we've had a lot of fun. We thank you so much very graciously. And we would like to pray as our closing prayer, a Hail Mary. So, Hail Mary,
full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now at the hour of our death.
Amen. In the name of the Father,
Son, Holy Spirit.
Amen. Okay, good talk. Bye.